Now we're going to talk about the supporting structure of the wheelchair, which is the frame and the accessories or the attachments that go to them. So there are different classifications of manual wheelchairs. There's the type of frame, rigid or folding, adjustability of the position of the axle of the rear wheel, and material used to construct the wheelchair frame. So rigid frames are available in a box, cantilever, or a T or an I frame. So in the corner of the slide, that is the box style frame, a rigid frame with a box style. Typically the box frame construction has the rectangular shape that provides a long and durable base to which the seat and wheels are attached. Lighter weight designs are accomplished by replacing the box with just a single bar between the wheels, forming the cantilever structure. The T construction uses a bar similar to the single bar, but it has the single bar attached to the center of the cantilever that continues to a single front caster. So it forms the T shape instead of just the single I shape. So if the two front casters are used, then the T becomes the I. The choice between a rigid or a box frame and folding frame styles involves a number of factors like the consumer's needs, the functionality, the method of transfer, and the level of activity. Again, this comes into play of the position of the axle of the drive wheel is relative to the user's center of gravity.